Good morning, friends. Thank you so much for your support on my last Clean With Me video. They're a lot of fun to do. They're super motivating for me because I know that I am on the clock, and they are super helpful when I watch them because it certainly gets me motivated to get up and start cleaning. The baby just went down for a nap, which means I might have about 15 to 20 minutes to get some stuff done. So we're gonna see how much we can do. Find which room you wanna start in and let's go. I almost always start in my laundry room every single morning, and right now I am just throwing a little bit of essential oil on my dryer balls and starting a load of wash. This is actually the baby's wash, and it's the best one in the house to do. All right, I'm gonna turn up the music and get some stuff done. I hope you will clean along with me and find this motivational to knock out some things that are on your to-do list. Let me know what you were able to get done while this was playing.
A million people in the crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights. And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna make you mine. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side. When the sun goes city dancing through the night, but I'm not there. You've got me soaring in the clouds, and as the ocean is surrounding me, baby, I'm sure we lost track of time. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side. When the sun goes down.
You might be looking at this room thinking, why are your kids who are old enough to pick things up not tidying this room? And I totally agree with you. They were actually upstairs working on something else today. They have chores every single day. Don't worry. I just thought since I was working through the house, I would just grab these things and make it look a little neater, more so for my peace of mind.
My glass was always half empty, but now you're in my life. We're far away from the city lights, so small under the night sky. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. Even after all of these years, you still look at me with the same love. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. knocked at the door. You drive me crazy, I want you to stay here. Now I'm here alone, I hate this party and I don't know anyone. We get drunk and we fight, but I forgive you. Although you drive me crazy, I want you to stay here. You'll be the death of me, still your medicine. Yeah, I need you, I need you. You light my fire just to put me out again. Still I need you. I'm weak for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, you. I'm weak for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, you. Now we're back where it started. You say you're sorry, so we forget about it. Simple as that, but I don't know where my heart is. Still all that I want is you. Yeah, you. You'll be the death of me, still your medicine. Yeah, I need you, I need you. You light my fire just to put me out again. Still I need you. I'm weak for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, you. I'm weak for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, you. Now I'm trying to let you go, but I'm always losing control. Is that what you want me to do? Now I'm trying to let you go, but I'm always
She smiled. We have bored her to sleep. So I have another load of laundry I'm gonna fold right there, and then I am gonna put it away and be done for the day. I hope you were able to get some of your to-do list done alongside of me and have a good day with your family. See you next time.